Driven just 20,000 miles, this has to be among the finest low-mileage original 1960 DeSotos in the known universe. Where do we begin to behold the glory of that supreme space-age styling? Every single detail of this car, inside and out, is truly spectacular. Whoa, and I love the way it drives. Look at that silhouette, too. This car is practically presidential in jet black, isn't it? And how much are we loving those fins? Yes, this is among the greatest designs of the space age. Absolutely the best taillights of any space age American car or foreign ever created. Look at that detail. The scale, the style, and everything else about this spellbinding design is out of this world. Yeah, I want you to see those three little boomerangs up close so you can truly appreciate the extreme high level of extraordinary everything that is all to do with this car. Yeah, DeSoto, it says it right there. This is a beautiful original car. And there's nothing quite like a low mileage original, is there? I know, we're going to get to the interior in a second. Yeah, that raspberry color is something special. So is this front end, commanding in every detail of its deluxe design. I know, that bumper is smiling at you, inviting you in for the up-close, in-person view of that gorgeous detail there. The details on this car are amazing. DESOTO says it right there as a gentle reminder. I know, just the front end of this car, the side of this car. Look at the hash marks on that sweeping side spear. And these wheel covers, they are full wheel covers. And when they are spinning, they are stunning. I know. Yeah, another look. Okay, you guys, we're going in. I love an original interior, and what is extra special about this original interior is the color. Yeah, black, white, and raspberry. Extraordinary by any automotive color interior color standards. Oh, nice little detail right there. A little winged something for your pleasure. The design of the dash is absolutely spectacular. Push button controls. This is absolutely the epitome of mid-century, isn't it? I know. Again, a gentle reminder there. I love the knobs on the radio. I love the radio. I love everything about this car. And yeah, it's a Fireflite. Don't you love that backhand? The door panels, every detail of this interior is truly amazing. Beautifully preserved. Look at that. And yeah, again, the color. I mean, we cannot understate the spectacular level of that gorgeous, rare raspberry color. You just don't see it. Yeah, the interior is basically, it's like brand new. This car is so well preserved. Again, another look at that beautiful steering wheel and dash. I love the whole instrument cluster. Oh, and dash. And the door panel, that rocket design on there. I know. Oh, yeah. The steering wheel, that mirror standing up like that at attention. Yes, this car is on point. Even the original keys. Yes, this is an original car. 361 under the hood. This car has plenty of pep. Is a pleasure to drive. And with the torsion bar suspension and the peppy Powerflite, I mean, this car is really, really nice. Look at the detail of the trunk, even the original spare. It doesn't get any better than this. That trunk mat, I know. Low mileage, you guys. Again, 20,000 miles. You just do not find them like this. There is no replacement for low mileage. And oh, there's the jack instructions. Okay, are we ready for takeoff? Yes, we are. This car will take you north, east, west, and south in divine space-age style. It is available for sale. Get all the details at charlesphoenix.com. There it goes. Oh yeah.